When I grow up, I want to be a certified public accountant so I could cook the books.
When I grow up, I want to be a doctor so I can scam the insurance company and my patients.
I want to be a leader of a Fortune 500 company and embezzle money.
I want to get married so I could cheat on my husband.
I want to be a politician so I can abuse my power for my own profit.
When I grow up, I want to be a professional athlete so money can corrupt me and I become a poor role model.
I want to be a journalist so I can report half-truths and innuendos.
When I grow up, I want to lead a battalion of soldiers so I can desert them when the first bullet flies.
I want to be an airline pilot so I can fly under the influence.
When I grow up, I want to be unfaithful.
When I grow up, I want to be unfaithful.
I want to be unfaithful.
I want to be unfaithful.
When I grow up, I want to be unfaithful.